Kamusta ulit ang lahat? Hello! Time check here is 5 minutes to 12 noon. Friday, no? Mag alas 12 na ng tanghali. So, kakain na tayo. Fasting tayo ng 16 hours. So, what we got here? We got black coffee here. Isang drum na black coffee. We got some fruits here. Black and red and green grapes and some blueberries. There you go. Blueberries and green apple. We got here the leftover of my my boys, no, leftover nila na pasta. Ininit ko siya, nireheat ko, tapos yan, ako namang titira, no. Meron tayong sasawan as usual, soy sauce and vinegar with chili, and we got here grilled sweet corn, and yeah, and this is one of my favorite eggplant or aubergine na grilled din. Tapos meron tayong chicken wings, then fresh from the grill, no. Init pa, still hot. Okay, let's eat. Thank you so much, Lord, for everything, for all your blessings. Big fan talaga ako ng blueberries, guys. Lahat ng berries, gustong gusto ko. Strawberries, blackberries. Ano pa yan? Raspberries. Oh, kahit ang berries pa yan. Ayan o. Blueberries. Nakapag walking tayo, we managed to go for a short walk. I think it's naka 3.5 kilometer walking tayo this morning. So when we get home, we do some stretching exercise. Tapos ngayon 12 o'clock na, magto-12. Naka 16 hours fasting din tayo. So let's eat, guys. Masarap.